Damn. All right. We've got Operation Shoulder Hip Rebuild. So we're going to be using a bench to start with the hips. So I've got my foot is flat on the bench. My back leg is straight. I'm going to sit here for a 5 count. If I want to dip my chest forward, press back up, I could do some pigeon push-ups as well, but this is a pigeon stretch hold. You're going to hold here for a 5 count. Nice and slow and controlled. I like to go with my breathing. And then that, we're going to take our back leg, drop it as low as we can. If we can rest it on the floor, that's great. Bring my chest forward, holding here for a 5 count as well. Good. And I'm going to come out of there. I'm going to switch sides. So I've got my back leg straight, my foot's flat on the bench, holding here for a 5 count. Then I'm going to drop my back leg as low as I can, falling forward. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. I'm going to come out of there. I'm going to go into a split squat position, so my back foot is on the bench. I'm going to go down, stand back up, keeping my knees in line with my toes. I can put my hands on my knee for support. If my knee going forward bothers my kneecap, I can try to keep my shin vertical, so I want to step out a little bit further, send my butt back, stand back up. We've got 5 of these each side. Once again, hands on my knee for support. Five reps there. Then I'm going to be chest supported on the bench. Arms pull, rotate. So I'm rotating at my shoulder, pressed overhead. Big thing here is I don't want to shrug up. Hold down and back, rotate my arms, press. 10 reps here. Pressing overhead, rotate, reverse. 8. If you want to hold 2.5 or 5 pound plates, feel free. But we really want to focus on that rotation, not using the muscles of the upper neck. So we got 10 reps there. Then we're going to step back. We're going to go into a squat hold off the bench. Trying to keep my feet flat, so I got to widen out my stance. Holding on for support. If I can only go to 90 degrees, then I only go to 90 degrees. Otherwise, as low as I can. We're going to stay down here. We can do 10 breaths. We're going to stay down here for 10 breaths. We only make it 3 or 5 breaths. That's fine. If your feet go numb, stand up, shake it out. And we'll stand up out of there. And then you're going to give me 5 squats, trying to get to parallel. Good. And then we're back on the bench. This time we've got prone swimmers. Hands start on my low back. They're going to go overhead. As they're doing that, they're rotating palms down. Act like I'm doing a pull-up. Ice cream scoop back to my hips. Arms out. Pull up down. Ice cream scoop back. All the way overhead. Pull down. Scoop underneath. Overhead. Pull up down. Scoop underneath. Boom. Good. So we're going to go through that warm-up series, 3 sets. Let's go.